All you have to do to make sure this process works and that you don't encounter any issues is that you need to make sure that your iPhone is up to date and running the latest software update available. So go ahead and update your software if needed. And after you properly update everything, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Within the Settings app, simply select your name at the top, and once you see the expanded options, select iCloud from the bottom menu. Within the iCloud storage page, you should immediately see all the apps that take up space. In this case, simply look for Instagram after all the apps load and click on its name. You can also see the amount of data it is taking at the right side before clicking on its name. Once you select Instagram, you will only have the option to delete data, and all you have to do is select Delete Data to see a description of what it does. As you can see, this will delete all data for this app stored on this iPhone and in your iCloud. So simply click delete, and as long as you are running the latest software update available, you won't encounter any issues and your data will be gone.